Dearest, gentle viewers, Paris is known for its stunning architecture, charming streets, and romantic ambience. But let's address the challenge that many travelers face when trying to find the best spots for the perfect Instagram shots in a city as vast as Paris. With so many stunning locations to choose from, it can be overwhelming to narrow down your options. That's where we come in to show you the best Instagrammable spots in Paris that will elevate your photos. 15 photo spots of Eiffel Tower in a 2-hour walking tour. First up, welcome to our walking tour guide on the best spots for capturing stunning photos of the iconic Eiffel Tower. We will show you 15 Instagrammable spots with the Eiffel Tower as your backdrop via a walking tour in 2 hours from the starting point in Trocadero Square to Pont de Bir-Hakeim Bridge. Everyone knows about Trocadero as a spectacular vantage platform for the Eiffel Tower, but major con, it is always crowded with tourists. Trocadero is where we will start our 2-hour walking tour. The Eiffel Tower is here, and let's arrive at Trocadero for the sunrise photo shoot. 7 a.m. is the sunrise time, but it's recommended to reach by 8 a.m. to avoid the crowd. Although Trocadero offers a perfect vantage point for admiring the beauty of the Eiffel Tower at sunset or at night, when the sky is illuminated, this time is not recommended for photo shoots due to the crowd. This is our starting point on Trocadero. Photo spot 1. Go to the left or right side of the Trocadero Square, in front of the golden statue. Stay lower for a great photo opportunity. Photo spot 2. Walk across Trocadero Square towards the Eiffel Tower. Stand in front of the square railings with love locks for another photo. This is a good spot for natural walking shots as you approach the camera. Photo spot 3. Walk to the front and the wall of Trocadero Square and take a photo here. It might be windy, which can add a dynamic effect to your hair. Photo spot 4. Move to the left or right side at the top of the stairs and take a photo before going down the stairs. Include some greenery in your shots for a natural touch. Photo spot 5. Slowly walk down the stairs while capturing shots along the way. Turn back occasionally for a more candid look. Photo spot 6. Head and go down the Trocadero stairs. These stair spots are popular on Instagram for their stunning views of the Eiffel Tower. Make sure you capture the stair steps in your photos. You can also climb up on the ledge for a unique photo opportunity. Photo spot 7. As you go to the left or right, you will see the water cannon. Go on the ledge beside the water cannons for a photo. Photo spot 8. Go down the Trocadero stairs to reach the Eiffel Tower fountain, located in the middle of the Eiffel Tower gardens. This spot provides a central view of the tower. If the fountain and basin have water, use the reflections for a unique photo. Photo spot 9. Gardens of the Trocadero is an open space in Paris. With sloping fairways running along the river, the garden terraces feature several sculptures. Photo spot 10. Walk down towards the Seine River and head to Avenue de New York. After you cross the traffic light, look for the blue sign, Avenue de New York. This avenue offers several great vantage points for viewing the Eiffel Tower. Photo spot 11. Cross the Pont d'Aena Bridge and take photos on the bridge with the Eiffel Tower as your backdrop. If there are pools of water on the bridge, use them for reflection shots. Photo spot 12. You can also move to the middle of Pont d'Aena Bridge for a unique angle in the midst of traffic, but be careful of the traffic around you. Photo spot 13. Port Debilly. After finishing the photos on Pont d'Aena Bridge, turn right and go down to the Seine River. There is a beautiful stretch of riverbanks between Trocadero and Bir-Hakeim Bridge along Port Debilly. Here, you have an open view of the Eiffel Tower up close, and it's a relatively quiet location. Sit, twill, or walk along the banks of the river. Continue walking along the river until you reach a willow tree, which serves as a picturesque backdrop for your photos. Photo spot 14. Continue on to the Pont de Bir-Hakeim Bridge, a famous spot featured in many movies, including Inception. This bridge offers many angles for photos. You can take pictures of the columns on the bridge with the Eiffel Tower in the background. Photo spot 15. France Reborn on the Bir-Hakeim Bridge is a balcony facing the Eiffel Tower that is perfect for your photo shoot, especially with the horse statue in the foreground. Other photo spots of Eiffel Tower. not forgetting picturesque locations of the Eiffel Tower from the streets. These two are our favorite. Photo Spot 16, Avenue des Communes, and Photo Spot 17, Rue de l'Université. Both streets offer picturesque views with the Eiffel Tower as your backdrop. Photo Spot 18, Carousel of the Eiffel Tower. Nestled near the base of the Eiffel Tower, the charming Carousel of the Eiffel Tower offers a whimsical photo opportunity. This traditional merry-go-round, adorned with intricate designs and vibrant colors, provides a delightful contrast to the towering iron structure behind it. Hotels with Eiffel Tower views. Here are some hotels in Paris with views of the Eiffel Tower. They are a luxurious splurge. Photo Spot 19. The Shangri-La Hotel offers luxurious accommodations with stunning views of the Eiffel Tower from its terrace and some rooms. Photo Spot 20. Les Mureaux combines historic charm with modern luxury. From select suites and rooftop spaces, guests can enjoy breathtaking views of the Eiffel Tower and the Tuileries Garden, offering a quintessential Parisian experience. Photo Spot 21. Hotel Plaza Athénée features rooms and suites with direct views of the Eiffel Tower, a symbol of Parisian elegance on Avenue Montaigne. Its rooftop terrace and bar provide panoramic views of Paris, making it a prime spot for photography. Photo Spot 22. Pullman Paris Tour Eiffel offers modern accommodations with many rooms providing views of the tower. Its rooftop terrace offers a unique perspective of the Eiffel Tower and the Seine River, ideal for both day and nighttime photography. These hotels not only offer luxurious accommodations, but also provide spectacular views of the Eiffel Tower, ensuring a memorable stay in the heart of Paris. Other must-visit photo spots in Paris. Photo Spot 23, Louvre Pyramid. The glass pyramid's sleek, modern design juxtaposed with the classical architecture of the Louvre Palace creates a unique visual harmony. This blend of contemporary and historic elements makes it one of the most iconic and photographed spots in Paris. The pyramid not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of the museum, but also symbolizes the fusion of tradition and modernity. You can also watch people and admire the pyramid from the cafe on the right. We will link all locations on Google Maps in the description below. If you like what you see so far, don't forget to like this video, share, and subscribe. Photo Spot 24. The Arc de Triomphe, one of Paris' most iconic landmarks, stands majestically at the western end of the Champs-Élysées. The arc was commissioned by Napoleon and honors French soldiers from the Revolutionary and Napoleonic Wars. For street-level views, you can position yourself on the surrounding avenues for shots that include both the arch and the bustling Parisian traffic. This grand roundabout is a key intersection where 12 major roads converge, creating a star-shaped étoile pattern where the arc is. The traffic circle around the Arc de Triomphe is famously chaotic, entering and exiting from 12 different avenues, making you wonder how they avoid constant accidents. For a top view, climb to the top of the arch for panoramic views of Paris, including a direct view down the Champs-Élysées towards the Louvre. Photo Spot 25. Montmartre is famous for its artistic history, charming streets, and panoramic views of the city. It's home to the iconic Sacré-Cœur Basilica and the La Maison Rose, a historic pink-hued building nestled in Montmartre, is a favorite among photographers. It's a perfect setting for capturing timeless Parisian scenes with a touch of artistic flair. Photo Spot 26. Sacré-Cœur Basilica. This iconic white-domed church is a striking landmark. Located in Montmartre, this basilica provides panoramic views of the city. Capture the expansive views of Paris from the steps of the basilica. Photo Spot 27. Pont Alexandre Aïe, an ornate bridge known for its lavish design and great views of the Seine and the Eiffel Tower. Photo Spot 28. Notre Dame Cathedral. Even though it's under restoration, the exterior and surrounding area are still beautiful spots for photos. Photo Spot 29. Palais Garnier, Opera House. Give Versailles a miss, as it's quite far from city center, and visit the Opera House instead. The grand staircase, the gold, and opulent interiors make for elegant photo opportunities. Photo Spot 30. Luxembourg Gardens. The manicured gardens, fountains, and the Luxembourg Palace offer a serene backdrop. Photo spot 31 Tuileries Garden is a Parisian park with its perfectly maintained landscape that make it an idyllic spot for photography. The green chairs add a unique and charming element, making your photos instantly recognizable as part of the Parisian experience. Incorporate the green chairs into your photos for an authentic Parisian touch. Arrange them creatively or capture candid moments of people enjoying the garden. Photo spot 32 Palace Royal. The black and white striped columns in the courtyard provide a striking visual element for creative compositions. Photo spot 33. The Debilly Museum, located in the heart of Paris, showcases a stunning array of vibrant and colorful displays that celebrate the legacy of the iconic fashion house. Stand on the spiral staircase among the colorful display for an interesting Instagram spot. We will link all locations on Google Map in the description below. If you like what you see, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share your favorite Paris photo spots in the comments below. Your engagement keeps us going to bring you more content.